They really seem to come to life, and it's lovely to watch them. And sometimes I have tears in my eyes because it sounds so lovely, or I just feel so happy for them to be able to be there.
You can see the audience clapping for you at the start, and the feeling of everyone watching you is scary, but also when you start going, you feel like you're really enjoying it.
It's just lovely seeing all the children loving it, loving Manx culture and dancing.
What I really want out of this is children to have had the opportunity to learn to play an instrument, to play with other people, and to have fun doing so. So I think the lovely thing about the Folk Awards is there's lots of different levels. So there is a category for beginners folk, there is a category for beginners tin whistle, and it really doesn't matter if you're a beginner as the teacher that's in charge of that.
You can see the joy it gives to the children and the sense of accomplishment, and we all should be looking really at developing the whole child, not just that child that sits in your class, sitting still, doing their writing. You really want them to have something that's going to help their mental health when they're older, because singing in a choir or participating in any group activity is marvellous for you as you get older. So to encourage that in a child is a real privilege.
You enjoy it because you're doing it for your friends. Probably just getting on the stage and doing it, and the feeling after you've done it, like you can actually say, wow, I actually accomplished that and I actually got on stage and did that, so yeah.
You start with these little children who really struggle with it. They love dancing, so you just keep going, and by year 6 they're doing these really hard dances. They're in time and rhythm and they love it, and they're performing them. So it's a wonderful journey. The whole process is lovely, the rehearsing, the children getting excited, getting their costumes on. When I look back when I was little, those are the moments I remember and cherish, think, oh, that time I did that, and how wonderful it was.
It feels amazing that my parents went to see me sing, and I feel really proud of myself. I like it when we watch other people dancing because it's nice to see other dancers as well. I like performing and doing my best, and also watching the others dance as well. Lots of times when you're performing, it's like stuff all around the world. But the Manx Folk Awards, it's only Manx stuff, and it makes you feel like you're part of a proud and great nation.